I was literally about to hit the button too. What's going on? Good morning. Got a feeling my Tesla puts are about to get cooked this morning. Aren't they up overnight? I didn't look. Yeah, they're up like $3 overnight. That's really not that much though. Good morning, Trade Current. Good morning, Pushpack Rob. Donovan McNasty Poo, you missed the fun yesterday. GDT, good morning. Tris, good morning. Don Moore again, good morning. Machado, good morning. So yeah, some stuff happened yesterday after the stream. Let's see if I can fill you in real quick. Let's go to the move. Yep, here it is. So ended the stream, I don't know, somewhere around here. It was like right before 11, I think. Came back to my computer to do a couple things. This had already happened, I think. Or maybe I don't remember when I ended the live. I want to say it was before this, but it might have been after this. I don't remember. But then this happened. And I was on the MNQ with 3 contracts, and I started it up here. That was the problem. I started it on this first candle here, and then it dumped on me. I added right at the bottom of this candle, didn't get the pop enough to get out, and then it went even lower. I started adding like crazy on the way down, and I think my average ended up being, I don't even remember, but I didn't survive this. I got hit on the way down. So I was adding pretty quickly. It was like 3, 3, 3. I think I had like 18 contracts of the MNQ by like here. And then I was down the 2.2K or whatever to stop the account out. And then I kind of went on tilt. I bought a Lucid straight to funded account because I didn't want to miss the move. Oh, yeah, it started to bounce. I actually bought on this candle right here, but was going for the big recovery move, and then it dumped on me. I ended up adding here, I think. And then when it came back down and did this, it gave me the daily loss limit of $1,200. So it doesn't let you go the full 2K drawdown on those accounts. There's a 12K daily loss limit. And I hit that right here. And then as you can imagine, right after, it spiked right back up. Would have been green because my average was somewhere around 50. I don't remember exactly. But then it did come back down, went back up to that same spot. So I don't know if I would have got out there anyway. So maybe inevitable. But because I hit that, I ended up buying another account, which was I was like, I'm not buying any more straight to funded accounts. They're fucking expensive. Which I do need to update my spend on Propfirms because that we're definitely over 10K now. But I'll have to do the math to get the exact numbers. But anyways, bought a Flex account, and I got that to $1,500 because you can only, it's a 3K profit target, but you can only do 50% consistency. Then what you can't see is I also bought 2 Take Profit Trader 50Ks. Got the halfway on one of those, all on the, just trading. I think I bought this dip here as it was coming back down, and then it just like immediately went back up. I think I bought and then added. Like I said, I was kind of tilting. I don't know. I was mad that I lost the Lucid account. That was 2K just thrown in the trash because I only needed 3 more days of $150 days, and I could have taken out like $1,500 depending on how much I made the rest of those 3 days. And then I bought the straight to funded account and basically immediately hit the daily loss limit on that. So I was not in a good frame of mind, but I hit the 50% on the Lucid, and I was like, you know what? If I'm gonna do this, I might as well try some Take Profit Trader accounts as well. So I ended up getting 2 of those. Traded the first one on here, got the halfway, and then I bought the other one, and I started trading the chop here, and I was actually doing pretty well. I was trading 2 contracts at a time like an idiot, but I was making like $200-300 each time, just chopping back and forth. But I couldn't seem to get the halfway. I think I got to like 1250 or something like that. I don't remember. But then I finally walked away. because I just realized I realized I'm trading chop, and I just got lucky that that worked. So, but yeah, that was my day yesterday. Oh, and then this morning, as you can see the monies. This was the straight to funded account that I made 736 on. Don't really want to make too much more on that because it's got the 20% consistency rule. And then we have the eval down here, which that's what I'm on right now. That I kept trying to get the pullback, and it just did not want to give it to me. Finally got me out there. I tried to hold one contract for the bigger move down, faked out, so I put it at break even and got knocked out break even. Went to do my morning daily stuff here, and I was not at my computer when this happened. And of course, it goes right into the bands and actually just pulls right back this time, unlike over here. Just my life in a nutshell, basically. But anyways, we're gonna try to trade the open here and see what happens. I'm gonna go for above here.
Order working.
And no, below 80, I guess. I don't really like. I don't like what it's doing right now, but let's see what happens. Don't.
Order working.
All right, didn't get tagged in.
Stop filled. Order working.
Oh, are you kidding me?
Order
Okay,
filled.
good. I was about to be pissed. I put my order right at 20 and it like just missed it. Thankfully, it came back up and got it. All right, we'll take that. That was a nice little win to start the day on that eval. Tony, good morning. Gonzalez, good morning. SK, good morning. Jason Wallace, good morning. Digital Nukes, good morning. Miss K, good morning. So yeah, pretty eventful. Yeah, my Tesla puts, they didn't get reamed too bad. Just $10. Well, $15. We'll see what happens. I wonder if Alpine traded that. That was so fast. Maybe he got back in on the way back up there. Oh, I don't know what he did there. Did he put... Did he take it right away, or...
Winning.
Oh, he just played... No? Does he? Oh, he got lucky. I see. Yeah, he even admitted it. He's like, I got so lucky. Yeah. He hit the button after it spiked, and he just ended up getting lucky. It happens. It's part of it. That drop. Let's see what happens based off that drop. Like I said, we're pretty far from the lows, 730s. We're up at 28K. Who was calling 28K the other day? Finally got there. Definitely a lot of range today. That is for sure. I'm going to try to lock back in and not do anything crazy today. All right, headed back up to the highs here. All right, nice little pop up here towards 40 or 50. Be looking to get in short. Not quite the push I was hoping for. That's a for science trade. A little fake out. So far. We can't get the pop here up towards 50 now. Jen, good morning. My Tesla puts are looking pretty bad right now. Market only go up, boys and girls. Market only go up. God. Tesla going straight up. Crazy. They're about to hit 400 again. There it is, 400. We do have some news this morning as well at 10 o'clock. We got PMI, ISM Services PMI, JOLTS job openings, new home sales, all at 10 o'clock. So be careful of that. It's in 24 minutes. Just keep an eye out on that if you're in anything around 10 o'clock. Because that could get a little sketch. Just looking for the pop back or pop up to the bands. Right now we're just kind of grinding higher. Kind of got to pull back there to that 20 level. That was about it. For the pop through 50. Go.
Order filled.
Bad fill.
Order working.
Try to squeeze 10 points out of it. Bad fill. I thought I was getting a little higher than that, but it's okay. Give me half the candle. Come on. A little more than half the candle, it looks like, but. You son of a. You son of a. You son of a. What was I at? 42.50? Went to 43.50. 4 ticks. You son of a gun. The old 4 ticker. It's all right. First entry above 50. If we do get a push away, I'll get an ad and look for the 50 retest. A little frustrating we didn't get that fill though, because then we'd be getting a first entry up here. That little son of a bee. I did raise it up just in case it wants to just try the bottom of the candle. So now we're just going for 8 points. 945. Seeing Tuesday. Oh, that's yellow folder. Final services PMI. That doesn't really do anything. Yeah, we might not get a red candle here. It's still kind of grindy. That was a nice candle, but oh, maybe. Cool. Come get me out. Come get me out. Come on, I even went above the bottom of the candle because you always like to retest exactly the bottom of the candle when I'm right under it. You've got to be kidding me.
Order
Thank
filled.
you. Thank you. All right, we'll take the like 150, 160. Of course, we would have got the original, but whatever. Not gonna complain. I mean, I'll complain initially, but I'll stop complaining now. You remember when it hit the bands and just went back to the middle? I miss those days, right? I mean, technically, when it still hits the bands, we are getting the moves back. We are getting the moves down. It's just a matter of adapting to when the market isn't hitting the bands. Right? That's the big thing. It's just a matter of waiting till it actually hits the bands. Like, do you have the patience to wait for when it actually hits the bands? Because, I mean, if you scroll back, look at this. Bands, pullback. Bands, pullback. Bands, pullback. Bands, pullback. Bands, pullback. No, bands, pullback. No bands. Nah, not really a pullback. Now let's keep going back. Bands, pullback. Bands, pullback. Bands, pullback. I mean, you could argue that that hit the bands, but I mean, it did pull back anyway, but bands, pullback. Bands, pullback. Bands, pullback. Bands, pullback. Bands, pullback. Bands, pullback. That's what I'm saying. If you can just wait until it actually hits the bands, the odds are you're going to get that pullback. Where I get in trouble is I don't wait for it to hit the bands sometimes. I want to take more trades.
Order filled.
What I need to do is find out a way to get an audible alert on Tradeovate for when it hits the bands. And then I just don't watch the charts until I hear that the bands get hit. Tradeovate's Vinay fair value gaps are working for me lately. I don't really pay attention to the FVGs. Trying to be patient here. Yep. F you, Tesla. F you, Tesla. I might have to quit this option stuff, or maybe I'll behind the scenes I'll fade my own plays, because after Tesla week 1 going long, I've gotten absolutely smoked on the last 3 plays. And the week's not over yet. It's only Tuesday, but ain't looking great. But that would only work if it takes the trade for you, because sometimes it's fast. But that's what I'm saying. Figure out a way for it to automate a trade. Like jump in one contract when it hits the bands. I mean, there's got to be a way to do it, right? People write the codes for that stuff all the time. I just need to figure it out. You know what? I'm gonna AI it real quick. Write the code for me to place a trade on Tradeovate software, 1 NQ contract, when it crosses the Keltner channel bands up or down 3 times multiplier with the 13 EMA. And what's the other setting in there? ATR period. Leave the ATR period at default 10. See what it comes up with. Oh, it's giving me something. To automate the sharding on Tradeovate, you will use Tradeovate's code editor, which utilizes JavaScript. The platform follows event-driven architecture. Below is the code for a custom strategy. The script monitors the 13 EMA and Keltner channels using a 10-period ATR and 3x multiplier. It will go long when the price crosses above the upper band. No. I want it to go long when it crosses the lower band and go short when it crosses the upper band. Or lock yourself out if the bands have not been touched. Yeah, I can't do that. I don't have the willpower. How cool would that be if it like just kept you locked out? If you could set up something so that it locks you out until your strategy is met. That would be pretty cool. Oh, what is, oh, this is the 945. Looking for the pump up through 100 now. Are we at all-time highs? We have to be, right? Oh, yeah, it's not even close. Jesus, look at... What part of this is healthy? Like, seriously, what part of this move since the end of March is healthy? Makes total sense, right? We're gonna keep doing this forever. We're just gonna go straight up. I really want to get in here, but I'm gonna be patient here. Come on, 100 pop, 100 pop, 100 pop. It literally went to 150. 100.5. There we go. Keep going. One little good pop. Go. 120s would be beautiful. It's not going to give it to me. They're going to chill here because they know the easy trade is 120 to 100. So they're going to take 102s to like 93 and then let it go. And then it's by that time, the bands are going to be higher, yada, yada, yada. It's very frustrating because then when you try to take these trades, they blow it up in your face. It's like I can never pick it correctly, you know? All right, understood. You're looking for a mean reversion counter trend strategy rather than a breakout strategy. In this setup, you are betting that the price is overextended. Yep. Here's the updated JavaScript code. I have swapped the logic. It buys the oversold lower band and sells the overbought upper band. So you're saying this won't work? Is that what you're trying to tell me, Papa now? Green equal healthy. United States of Israel. All right. Now I need to figure out how to do this. Tradeovate's code edit. How to use Tradeovate's code edit. Access it directly as a module within your trading workspace. I remember kind of doing this before, but code editor. Let's put it over here for now. You guys can actually see what I'm doing. Of course, if I would have taken it, we get the immediate drop. I've already tried this a little bit, but none of it has worked. I've also tried getting audible sounds inside of Tradeovate, and they don't seem to work either. It's got to be like audible alerts have to be possible. If they have order filled and stuff like that, it's got to be possible. It's just annoying that I can't figure it out. All right, let's do file new. Let's name it auto bands times 3, or we'll do 3x multiplier. I can't have spaces, I think. All right. I don't know. Do I copy paste this whole thing? Let's see. Do I just copy paste this and then copy this? Control A, Control V. How do I save file? Save. All right. We got about 10 minutes until that news, so careful with that. Now the question is, and there's the Discord reminder. No, I mean something where you enter and the order does not work because the bands have not been touched yet. Oh, gotcha, gotcha. Dang, look at this thing go. So I think this is set up to go, but how do I run it? Once I have this saved, how do I run it? Open a chart. Yep, yep. Add the strategy. Click the indicators icon. Search bar. Yeah, that's... Uh, this is the problem I was having before, is it doesn't come up for me. Do I have to like export it? I don't know. This shit's confusing to me. I remember trying this before and I couldn't get it to work, so I gave up. Enable auto trade. This is just adding the strategy to the chart often only shows you historical signals. Look for a play button or an auto trade toggle switch, usually located in the top left or... Click at the button will typically turn green. From you understand the risks. Why won't it let me save it? Is that because it's already named that? I got two of the same thing. I just don't understand how to make it work. Never got the push that we were looking for there. Now we're pulling back. The 10 o'clock is coming in 5 minutes. Has anybody ever got one of these to work before? No bank, but 6 pubs. That's hilarious. That has Ireland written all over it. Save your file within there. To see your new indicator on the chart, you may need to refresh the platform or log out and back in for it to appear. That's probably the issue I'm at. I don't really want to do that because I want to keep this one open as well. We're actually doing pretty well today, even though it's just all in evals. We're up 736, 547, and 505. So what's that? That's like almost 1,800 bucks. I guess I can't really complain. I can always log back in to take profit trader. We're gonna log out and log back in real quick. Hold on. The one is funded. The 736 one is funded. The 547 is an eval. All right, let's see if this shows up now. Cater. Nope. Audit. Nope. Maybe they don't work on Mondays. Wait, you can refresh it by hitting F5. You can F5 Tradeovate. That's crazy. Like the downloadable. I was on the wrong. The downloadable app on your computer, you can literally F5 it. That's crazy. I didn't know you could do that. Maybe that's what it needed? Nope. Nope. That's hilarious, though. Had I known that, I wouldn't have had to close it out. I didn't even know you could do that. Really wish I knew how to do this. I got 1 minute, 50 seconds for the news. Careful. If you're in a trade, I'm just letting you know. There's somebody who's got the same problem as me. Looks like Trade of 8 isn't loading new JS indicators unless they're placed in the proper internal folder structure, and the editor currently isn't letting us create folders or place files where the platform expects them. Here we go. Get ready. We're about to go cray-cray. Oh, do I want to...
Order working. Order working.
This could be dumb. This could be very dumb. Wait for it. Wait for it. What? Okay. The fuck? No,
Brother,
yeah, I'm canceling my order. No. We ain't playing that. I was looking for a big push one way or the other. Well, you missed the 10 o'clock news that was supposed to make the market go a little crazy, and it looks like a normal candle. All right, you need to make sure name and description are not the same as another script. They're not. Tags contain the name of your folder you want to find your indicator in by making one appear. You're creating a new folder, e.g. module, export, name my indicator, description my indicator. Oh, maybe I need to... Let's try this. Keltner 3x auto.js. Okay, so what if we just add it under that? No, it gives me a problem. Identifier predef has already been declared. Keltner mean reversion. Oh, so maybe I need to call it the same thing. All right, hold on. Class. What does that matter? So we want to change that to this. Okay. Paste. Still not right. Let's see. Change name of script to Keltner or to auto bands 3x. See if that fixes it. Where did this end? Still saying the same thing. The name Autobands 3x. This is the name you'll see. Oh, wait. has already been declared. So what is it telling me? To delete it? Let's just see if it works. That is so cool. I did not know you could do that. Nope. It's giving me an error on line 76. 76, 6, 1, 2, 3. I don't think that matters. It's telling me that the name has already been declared. Do I just get rid of this, maybe? Can I just get rid of line 77? Has already been declared. So this whole thing has already been declared. So what if we just get rid of... like that? I don't know. I'm lost. Programmer is watching this and laughing. Yeah, I mean, are you a programmer? Don't you do this, Mr. Josh Allen? Isn't this in your repertoire a little bit? Are you here? I don't think I've seen him this morning. Oh, you know what? Here, let's do that, and then I'm gonna copy paste the error. It's showing me this error. Oops. It's showing me this. Hit delete everything. Try this again. Okay. Save. F5. Come on. Not working. But now I think it's not working because all right, hold on. Let's do this. Ooh, oh no, what did I do? Control C. We're gonna delete this one. File new. What is the name of it now? Auto band series. Auto. Why is it not letting me type? It won't even let me type. What is going on? All right, it's officially broke. It's officially broke. I took one semester of coding, but it was Python, and the craziest thing I made was a receipt printout. You don't need to even take code anymore. You just go to Gemini or just any AI, really. Like, I have no doubt that the code's right. I just can't figure out how to get it to send it to Tradeovate to use it. That is the problem at the moment. Is it because these are here? Like, I don't understand why it's not letting me. Oh, here we go. Well, it cannot edit and read only. Oh, did I do that somehow? Let's just get out of it and get back. Let's do that. It's trade of 8 code editor is in read only mode. There it is. I don't know why. I didn't even do anything. Auto 3x bands, right? Auto bands 3x. All right. So now we're here. Let's paste that. Now it's saying, okay, I'm just going to copy paste this whole thing, put it over here, and then save this. This code is giving me this error. All right. I'm going to try to break the highs here, see if we can't get a push up towards 150. Problem is exactly what the error says. You have the entire code for 2 different scripts inside one file. The first 20 lines are simple moving. The fix. Delete everything in your editor and only paste this version. Or remove the extra. All right. We rejected the highs again, double topping. If I can get this working, it would be amazing. Because then I could just walk around the house in my headphones like I used to. And just wait till I hear that alert. I know in TradingView you can do it to alert you when it happens, but I was a software engineer, but that was my job for 10 years. So can you help me now or not? Because I can't get it to work. All right, file. I saved it already, right? Yeah, save all just because. F5, refresh it. Indicators, auto, not there. Bands. Let me just try typing the whole thing. 3x.js. Nothing. Nothing. I don't know. After saving this in Tradeovate, it is not showing up to use. You've successfully hit build. There's a build button? I don't see a build button. Maybe it's not placing it. Oh, whoa, dumpy dumpy. Not quite as low as I would have wanted it. Just people taking profit. Wouldn't be surprised if this just reclaims. Just somebody taking, some big player probably taking profit. So we can get a big push away from 50 here. I feel like we have all the way down to 28K again. It's a pretty obvious line here. If it can hold under here, kind of where I'd be looking for a retest.
Order filled. Order working.
For a quick 10 points here, possibly. Every time, man. Every time, just right to my order. Just can't get the extra couple ticks. It's literally, and then it just always shoots right back the other way, so I can't even get out that quick.
Order filled.
But that's just ridiculous. I'm always looking for something specific, right? There I'm looking for the 50 retest, and it's like no matter where I put my order, if I go to 49, it goes to 48. If I go to 46, it goes to 45. It's like just annoying. But it worked out.
That was legitness.
All right. Watch, it's just going to reclaim. Oh, I was going to say it needs a reject here. Like I said, we drew that line here. Resistance, support, support. And now it needs to be resistance again if this wants to move lower. Gonna depend on what it does here, I'm telling you. We can get back above here, we probably go back to the highs. If we can reject here, we probably move lower. So far, we're reclaiming. But if this rejects, the odds are we're going to have a nice move back down towards 28K. Because that's the next area where we could have a line to draw. Right around here. Yep, which is right at 28K. But right now it's reclaiming, so just a little fake out to the downside before they move it higher. Right now that's what it's looking like. Yeah, it should have held it. Would have passed the eval. Oh. Whoa. Uh-oh. 60 point dump instantly. Careful. Careful. Just a nice little 60 point 3-second candle. Oh, there's war news. Missile defense system. Yeah, I'm seeing drone attack. Yep. Drone attacks on Iran, UAE, like you said. Yep. All I really care about is this, how to get this strat to work. And it's not saying there's any errors, but for some reason it will not post. I have no idea. No clue. This is frustrating. I don't know what to do. Sidebar. Click the folder icon. Top left. Oh, this. I don't see a build. It keeps saying build. Like build. Is this a build? What is it? No. Might have to watch a video. The hammer icon. So this is a lie. There is no hammer icon. Save file. What is... No, that's... I mean, am I just blind? Very confusing. It's like we're gonna reclaim. It is. Crazy. War is good. War is good. Now I'm looking for the pop up through the current highs, see if we can't get away from it. Let's draw a line where it's at now, because obviously that's a big level. This is still a big level as well. Leave that there. See, Sean always trying to stir up shit. Always trying to stir up shit. Hand in the cookie jar. Private message? Show him. Show him the private message. Show him the cookie. Show him the cookie you took out of the cookie jar. Toggle? Disable hotkey. Oh, that's hockey. All right, we did make it through the highs this time instead of rejecting at them, but right back below. I am lagging like crazy. Millingard. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Looking for 150. Dublin. Did it make you cry? Don't think we're gonna get the move. No build button. Creative. Be right back. I'm gonna heat up some Singapore
Order
noodles that my
filled.
mom left behind. Ah ha ha ha. I do not like Guinness. Guinness is not a good indicator of whether you'll like drinking or not. I do
I
not
say,
like Guinness.
hold up.
Hold up.
Wait a minute.
Wait a minute.
Something
Ain't right. Yeah, it's called Guinness. I'm just lost. I don't know. I don't know why it's not showing up. Can I share this one? I don't know. Auto trades on contracts or mean margin using channels. Should include an indicator or drawing tool. Yeah, I want to go to Ireland. Yeah, we just haven't had a chance to get there yet. It's on our list. Well, that's why you don't let women drive. And now we're just gonna go sideways. No, I can't even right click it. Trying the highs again. Obviously, I'm looking for the 150 pop at this point. And we were just at 28K. Now it's crazy. Where's the low? 27.7. So we can't get a pop.
Order working.
Put a figment of your imagination band out. We're literally just going to chop 15 points up, 15 points down. Barcode. No idea. This is, you know what? I'm just gonna watch GDT. I'm gonna pause you for a sec so I can listen to video. Trade Ovate. Code editor tutorial. Go get these noodles.
Run.
Oh, we're trying to break out. Wawa! Welcome back. Speaking of Japan, noodles. These are Chinese. But how was Japan, man? Like, tell me you had fun without telling me you had fun on vacation, and just show somebody your steps for 10 days. That's awesome. Who did you see in concert? All this stuff is from like years ago. Creative code editor, create an indicator. Let's see what. I usually don't eat this early, but K-pop groups, cool. I'm trying to code so I can automatically trade my strategy, but I can't get it to show up. You have any idea how to do this stuff? I've asked others for help and they just ignore me. Looks like a pretty good rejection. I did GPT it. That's how I got it. That's how I got the code. And now I've been searching on why it's not showing up. I can't find anything. Yeah, I don't usually eat this early, but I had to take my mom to the airport this morning at like 4 o'clock in the morning, and I didn't eat well. So when I got home, I obviously couldn't fall back asleep. And I feel like my body's already saying I need energy. Leia! Morning. I did ask why it's not showing up. Everything it says doesn't work. Yeah, love it. Green on the new account. Love to hear it. Rejected that a lot previous high from earlier. All I wanted to do is hit golf balls later. And now all I can think about is getting this code to work. GDT, I'm back, by the way. I'm going to buy and send you something if I'm taking a payout from them all the way from Sweden. Let's go. Trying to think what I would want from Sweden. Sweden delicacies. Let's see. Fresh seafood. Hearty Husmanskots. The heck is that? Husmanskots? Says home cooking. Girls? Yeah. I think I'm looking at them. They look like they're like little meatballs or something. Is that what it is? With iconic staples included meatballs with lingonberries, pickled herring, princess tarta. Essential delicacies include toast skagen, which is a shrimp toast, vasterbotn, cheese, cured salmon, and surströmming, which is fermented herring. Well, if you would send toast skagen, shrimp toast, isn't that a Chinese thing? Shrimp toast? A luxurious mix of shrimp, mayonnaise, dill, and whitefish roe served on toasted bread. I guess that's different than the Chinese version, but gravlax, that would be my favorite. Thinly sliced salmon cured with salt, sugar, and dill. Sounds amazing. What is the hearty Husmanskott? Husmanskott. It's the only one that it doesn't tell me what it is. What is Husmanskost? What is Husmanskost cost? Historically rooted and locally sourced, affordable ingredients like potatoes, meat, and root vegetables designed to sustain agricultural workers, known as the Houseman's Fare. So it's Sweden's poor man food. Husmanskost. Husmans man, is it Husmans or Husmans? Husmanskost. 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 I know you wouldn't be able to get me the Gravlax. That's probably what I would like the best, but I mean, we have that here. I don't think they cure it with dill though. Now the sweet treats. Let's see which one I would like the best. Princess Tarta? I don't know why I sounded Indian saying that. Princess Tarta? A traditional dome-shaped cake with sponge, pastry cream, jam, and green marzipan. Canobular? Cinnamon buns with cardamom and pearl sugar. I don't like cardamom, so... A cardamom spice bun filled with almond paste and whipped cream. No, thank you. That's called a semla. And a clodkaka? Is that how you say that? Clodkaka? A popular gooey chocolate cake. I mean, I would probably like that the most. I don't really know what else there is. Well, let's get that payout first, and then we'll worry about it. All right. Did I refresh? Let me... It's just one of those days. It's all about the he said, she said bullshit. You have 2 dots on line 1 and 2. I have there's semicolons. But I was thinking of sending you something very traditional Sweden, not food related. Oh, okay. I like that even better, to be honest. I just want to see if this code shows up. So, what I call it, testing. Oh wait, it says SMA. Oh, why is it? But I named it testing. Why is it coming up as SMA? WTF? So it's coming up as something else. So Keltner mean ATR. That's just the regular. I don't know. I'm literally confused. Video I watched said that it takes time to load in. I mean, it's still not there. How much time does it need? Let me refresh it again. And it's named auto fans 3x. Keltner. It's just nothing comes up like at all. Yeah, I just watched that guy. The gear icon. I skimmed through that video, but oh wait, this is not the same guy. Oh wait, this is the same guy. Well, let me try that. We'll try what's something I would never use. What is the WMA? I don't know what the WMA is. Weighted moving average. Anything that's got a moving average, I don't want to use that. Let's try something else. Channels. I don't want to use Bollinger because I might put those on there just for whatever volatility oscillators. Yeah, we're not going to use oscillators. Yeah, I'm kind of watching it. I'm tempting to try something here. Ba-ba-ba-ba. All right, let's Control C. What? We're gonna go with tricks, whatever that is. Cannot. Oh, well now it's read only. How do I? Yeah, they're single dots. Sorry, I didn't realize I was stuck in there. Yeah, see, they're single dots. Maybe they need to be double dots now. Why is it showing this one that says SMA? It says testing. Yeah, I'm just lost. Has the microscoping rule in Tradeify ever got you? No, because I don't microscope. Everything I scalp is for 5+ points usually. They're not worried about that. Headed back to the highs. Right back to the highs. Okay. And then it just recovers. I don't know what this market's doing. Some trades just gives the TP below 10 seconds. Yeah, but they don't care about the whole 10-second thing if you're going for more than a certain amount of... If you go over 5 points, they're never going to question how long you're in the trade. I'm halfway through the video. Do I need to keep going? I don't know what else to try to get it to show up. There's no build feature. There's no... Like, all he did was save it and it showed up. Why is mine not doing that? Now he wants to try to use GitHub and stuff. I don't know if I want to do all that. I mean, I will if I have to, but this is also 4 years old too, this video. So it's like, I don't know. I feel like an idiot that I haven't been able to even figure it out yet. Like, this chart is also just annoying because it's like it keeps coming to these areas, looks like it wants to break, and then just immediately goes back up. It's like, make up your mind, man. Yeah, like look at this. Every time it comes to this line, it's just like support, support, support. I mean, obviously, if we do hold this as support, we're probably going back to the highs, but I thought this might have been a fake out to the upside and then a lower high and then try to come back down and retest this under 28.1, which I would like that better because I think we get a more violent move to the downside. If we go higher, we're just going to grind, and that does me no good. Because obviously we're looking for the volatile moves, not the grindy bullshit. Nice, Don. Yeah, well, tomorrow you can join me because I'm sure I won't figure it out by then. I am going to watch the rest of his video, but I'm listening to it. And this definitely looks like it wants to go up, right? Came back down, retested this level, and now we're just literally making higher lows on every candle. So the odds are we're just going to go higher here. I would assume we're going to go straight to the highs here. Be kind of weird if we don't. I mean, we're at the highs, but I mean, like, actually through the highs. Might get a rejection temporarily, but I doubt we'll go below this candle. Holding 5 micros on the 120s, looking for a push to 150. There you go. You got the idea. Market only go up. Yeah, see, now he's like actually coding. I don't know what any of this means. Yeah, see what it does at the highs. Yeah, I mean, maybe I log out and log back in. Just try it, I guess. I don't really know what else to try at this point. Nope. Nice Wawa. I see it's letting him make folders. I tried adding a folder, but it doesn't come up. And I don't think that's going to do anything. Like, how come just something like as simple as making a folder doesn't pop up? Why is there an order out on my... I'm just lost. I'm lost. All right, well, we rejected right at all-time highs, but right to the EMA again. See if it comes down to retest this 110 area again. Hey, green screen. Yeah, I thought we were going to blast through the highs there, Wawa, personally, but... Yeah, it's saved as a JS. It says JS, look. See it right there? I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. But then I have this one. This one shows up. Why? So like if I go look for this one and I start typing in testing, this one pops up. I click it and you can see that when I put it up under here, that's the one. That's this. So why is this showing up but mine's not? You know what? Let me try something. This code shows up fine in the indicators list. But this code does not. Why? All right, let's see if that comes up with anything. All right, gave me a new one to copy paste. Let's see what it does. Apparently there was a missing comma down here, which I don't think is going to matter, but and that one popped up like right away too, so nothing. Nothing. Mean nothing. Nothing. I'm just generally annoyed at this point. And the chart is just being dumb, so we're not even getting any trades. Again, I'd love the violent move down. I don't think we're going to get a volatile move up. Like if we go up, I think we're just going to like constantly break the highs, pull back, break the highs, pull back. Like we're not going to get the big push. It's too late in the day. If we get the move down though, all these people that are long in here start to sell, then you get the big move down, and then that's when you get a volatile move. But if we're just going to keep leaking up, then that's not going to do anything. With TradingView, you could just put an alert on the indicator. I don't want an alert though. I want it to take the trade for me as well. Because then I could figure out how to like scale in, like if it keeps going. Like there's so many different things I could do There's so many different things I could do if I can just get this base one to work, but I can't even get this to work. Because if while I'm sitting here, I don't have to be looking at the chart. If it crosses real quick, takes the trade, and then I can manage the trade myself because I'll hear that it puts me in the trade. I would never run it while I'm not here to be able to manage the trade. At least not until I figure it out. Oh, now it's telling me to look somewhere different. Look in the strategies icon. Hold on. Let me see something here. Yeah, I don't know. Here, let me just try what this is saying. Tempting to pull back here. No. What is this chart, man? Like, seriously, this is the if anyone's trading this, I'm sorry, because you should not be trading this. This is just the dumbest thing ever. I really wanted to break down test 100 and then see what we do there, right? Because then we're breaking some sort of structure. And honestly, right now we got, I don't know, this could have been a head and shoulders or an M. I don't know, head, shoulders. I don't know. There's so many different things I'm looking at here. This could be an M. And there's so many different possible things this could be. But the only one that doesn't make sense is if we just keep leaking higher. Look at this. It's just back. It's just the same shit. And this is the one where it'll go straight to the highs, right? Because all the shorts piled in right there, and they're like, okay, we're finally going to break back down to 100, and we don't. The buyers step in, and now we just go straight to the highs. The dumbest shit ever, man. This is not trading. This is just guessing if they're going to break or not. It's a 50-50 trade. It's the dumbest shit ever. Look at this. I called that right to the highs. Dumbest shit ever. And now, the funny part is, they'll probably bring the shit all the way right back down. It's the fucking dumbest shit ever. Just 15, 20 points. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. It's not trading. It's just, it's manipulation is what it is. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and nose and mouth. Is that the order? Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. This is a hedge fund's dream. I mean, this is just bullshit. The problem is there's not enough volume for hedge funds to get in and out. They need volume. Scalping 10 points every 5 minutes, but that's the problem is if they're the ones holding it up, they also need people to get in so they can get out, right? Or else they're literally, by the time they get the price to rise, they're the ones making it rise. By the time they start to sell, there's not enough volume to sell into. What is this shit, man? Do we actually break and retest 100? 120 holding strong. This is what though? 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth time. Still holding. 120 no breaky. Market don't give a shit about your feelings. Well, that is very true. Oh. Do it. Just dump it. Dump it. Straight to 100. Dump it. Nope. Just reclaim. Like nothing ever happened. Fucking joke.
Emotional damage.
That's all this is emotional damage. It's literally going to reclaim right back into there and just keep doing what it's doing. No shot we don't fucking just jet right back to the highs. Ah! This is the dumbest shit ever. The dumbest shit ever. You can't make this stuff up. You can't make it up. I can't figure this shit out. I'm gonna have to like, I don't know what to do. Anybody here a freaking code editor inside of freaking Tradeovate? Because I can't figure this shit out. And neither can Gemini apparently. This thing is just gonna dump at some point. Just a matter of when. I'm really surprised we didn't try the highs though one more time. Yeah, it's dumb. I'm just too anxious to trade. I need to just walk away. Because it's really this code thing is really starting to piss me off because he's making it look super easy. I'm literally copy pasting it. Let me try a different AI, I guess. I don't know, man. Chart is being fucking stupid regardless. Looks like we're breaking down and then nope. All right. Apparently Trump's talking too. Oh yeah, it's saying it can only create a signal. Oh look, there it is. So that's that's the problem. What's the signal though? Yeah. I'm trying something real quick. See if it works. Well, that time I got rid of the. Yeah, it's not. Yeah, maybe you just can't do it in Trade Maybe Trade just lacks the ability. Oh, it finally broke higher. Yeah, Gemini doesn't seem to care. Like, it'll let you without authentication. TradeVate doesn't support native strategy scripts like TradingView or NinjaTrader. Yeah, so maybe I need to do it through NinjaTrader. Maybe that'll be tomorrow, because I do not feel like messing with that right now. I'm gonna leave this tab open. I'm gonna have it rewrite it, but for NinjaTrader, and I'm gonna leave it open for tomorrow, because I am not in the mood to even test it right now. NQ did not hit 150. MNQ hit 150. Interesting. That's not even close to 150. Oh yeah, it did. Look at that. Like spiked up there. Alrighty. I think I am gonna go hit some golf balls. Don't forget it's Cinco de Mayo. Cinco de Mayo. All right, yeah, I'm gonna get out of here. I appreciate y'all being here.
That was legitness.
I will be back tomorrow, same time, same place. We're gonna see what happens. But until then, have a good rest of your day. And I'll see you tomorrow.
Welcome to the jungle, bitch! Hello, darkness, my old friend.